this property here in Maldives and they want to have 100% prepaid with the payment gateway. So we have to make some settings. We go here to inventory, products, rate plans. It's loading. And now we have the deluxe ocean view. And we have different rate plans, 3 rate plans for each room type. So what we're going to do, we're going to go and say improvement, standard Island view, and we're going to go to policies. Here we say no warranty. We don't have to say credit card. This is a different feature. We say no warranty and payment policy. So there's no payment policy. So we cannot do too much here because we need first to create a payment policy. We go to policies, payment policies here, add the new policy, and we say 100% prepaid. Prepaid, percentage, 100%, payment time, and then we do the same for the German language, and we save it. Prepaid 100%. So now we go again to products rate plans. We go here to the products and under policies we have to say 100% prepaid, no warranty. So we will have to save this for every rate plan of the booking engine. So for the payment gateway to work, what it needs to be done, this is correct, no warranty. You don't have to put credit cards. That's very important because this is a credit card warranty. You just save the credit cards for later usage in a secure way. So we will check together the first step, deluxe ocean view, first step. What has been done also was booking engine, connectivity booking engine, and under payment Stripe, here is the API, live API key that has been saved and inserted. And now we will go to the booking engine and search for deluxe ocean view first step. Standard ocean, deluxe ocean view first step. Deluxe ocean view first step. This is the one. We're gonna go to extras. We don't want any extras. As the extras, we go to summary. And now we're going to create a test booking. We accept this. We say book now. And now we are redirected to the Stripe payment gateway. And the user may select between the cards and the email address and the cards, and based on this pay securely via Stripe, and the money will go directly to the account of the property. I hope you enjoyed this information about how to insert the payment gateway, the Stripe into the booking engine. There are different payment gateway options. If you want another one, that's the one that we have Molly and Stripe. Please contact us and then we will look for a partnership and integration. Thank you so much. Enjoy it.